That moment when your whole kind of everything around you shrinks and you kind of go dark and think, you know, what the hell do I do? It was an instance where we discovered that one of my artworks had been printed by a company that had commissioned me to do campaign images that are meant to be used in magazines and things to promote the company. And they had printed one of my files and given it away to a charity auction. Now that's an image that in our agreement, it was agreed that I could sell limited editions of those prints. And it was sold at this charity auction for a fraction of what I sell my work for. And then I got in touch with Arts Law, and I hadn't dealt with them before and I knew of them. Something that I just said had to go and get advice on and discover what rights I actually had. It was just about sort of gaining back a little bit of power and speaking to somebody who actually cared about what was happening to me. Because I had a contract, it's not that it stopped that from happening, but it allowed me to think, hold on a minute, and look through our agreement and feel the safety of knowing that, you know, I had this thing in place for the future and for that conversation, and that it wouldn't continue to happen. Every time I say yes to somebody and I say, okay, I'm going to give you 3 months of this only life that I have, then I need to know that what I get out of that 3 months has been worth putting my life into. And I don't get that unless I have a contract in place. You know, it's just as simple as that. I'm Alexia Sinclair and I'm an artist. I imagine works like a painter would, and I gather elements to produce a scene like a painter usually would to document it, and then I use the camera to document that moment, and then I move into post-production and I start to illustrate elements into it so it becomes a multimedia piece that's ultimately printed as a photograph. I'm trying to work out a new way to describe what I do. I'm not there yet.